Hey beautiful learner. Welcome to Learn English with Emma. Today we will grow your mind. We will grow your English. And we will grow your confidence. We are learning from the book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Relax your shoulders. Breathe slowly. And listen to my voice. Part 1 Simple Listening Practice. Just listen. Don't repeat yet. Only relax and understand. The book talks about two fathers. One father thinks like an employee. The other father thinks like an owner. One works for money. The other builds systems. One worries about bills. The other creates opportunities. Just listen and feel the meaning. Part 2 Shadowing Practice. Now you speak with me. I think differently. I learn about money. I want to be free. Again, I think differently. I learn about money. I want to be free. Slow version. I want financial freedom. Part 3 Deeper Listening Story. Now only listen. There was a young boy named Adam. Adam watched his father wake up early every morning. His father went to work when the sun was not up. His father came home tired. His father worried about money. One day, Adam met his friend's father. This man was calm. This man smiled often. This man talked about businesses. The man told Adam, "Don't chase money. Build something that makes money." That day, Adam's thinking changed forever. Part 4 Follow along speaking. Now speak with me. I am learning new ideas. I am not afraid of money. I can grow. Again, I am learning. I am growing. I can be free. Part 5 Asset versus Liability. Now listen. When you buy something that makes you money, that is called an asset. When you buy something that takes money from you, that is called a liability. House for rent, asset. Luxury car, liability. Now repeat. Assets give me money. Liabilities take my money. Again slowly. Assets give me money. Take a moment. Feel proud of yourself. You are not just learning English. You are learning life skills. If this lesson is helping you, you can like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps this family grow. Part 7 Short Motivational Story. Let me tell you a short story. Sarah was afraid of learning. She thought money topics were hard. She thought English was hard. But every day she listened. She practiced. She tried again. After 1 month, she spoke better. She thought better. She felt stronger. Repeat with me. I'm like Sarah. I try every day. Part 8 Deep Shadowing Affirmations. Say this with me slowly. I control my future. I build my life. I respect my growth. I am becoming powerful. One last time. I am becoming powerful. Listening stories. Rich Dad Poor Dad style. Story 1 The Boy Who Spent Everything. A young boy received some money from his parents. He felt excited. He walked to the store and bought video games and candies. For 1 hour he felt very happy. But the next day he had no money left. He felt empty and confused. He learned that fast happiness disappears quickly. Story to the Girl Who Saved. A young girl decided to save a small amount of money every week. She did not buy sweets every day. She did not waste her money. After 1 year, she had enough money to start a small online page. She sold simple handmade items. Her confidence grew more than her money. Story 3 The Man and the Big Car. A man dreamed of owning a big, shiny car. He worked very hard. He bought it. For 1 week he felt proud. Then the fuel costs came. Then the repair costs came. Slowly, the car owned the man instead of the man owning the car. Story 4: The woman who invested in learning. A woman felt tired of living the same life. She used her money to buy a small online course. She studied every night. She learned new skills. 1 year later, those skills gave her more income than her old job. Story 5: The worker who spent daily. A young worker bought coffee and snacks every day. He never checked how much he spent. At the end of the month, he was always confused about where his money went. He lived in stress and slow fear. Story 6: The worker who saved daily. Another worker saved a small amount every day. He skipped small unnecessary things. First it felt hard, but later he felt peaceful. Small savings slowly became big security. Story 7: The question that changed everything. A curious boy asked a wise man, "How can I become rich?" The wise man smiled and said, "First learn how money works." That answer stayed in the boy's heart for years. Story 8: The bracelet business. A girl loved making bracelets. One day she decided to sell them online. Her first sale was very small, but her confidence became very big. She learned that action builds courage. Story 9: The man who lost his health. A man worked every night. He wanted fast money. He ignored rest. He ignored family. One day he became very sick. He realized money without health is not success. Story 10: The man who built slowly. Another man built a small side business. He worked on it after his job. Slowly it grew. He worked fewer hours. He earned more peace. Story 11: The student and fast food. A student loved eating fast food. Every day he spent money without thinking. He stayed broke and tired. He never felt in control. 50 shadowing sentences. Repeat after me. I am learning about money. I am changing the way I think. I choose growth every day. I understand how money works. I am building a strong mindset. I work to learn, not only to earn. Money can work for me. I am not afraid of success. I am focused and calm. I believe in myself. I choose assets over liabilities. I think like rich people. I act with discipline. I am becoming smarter with money. I control my habits. I invest in my future. I am patient and consistent. I respect my journey. I am growing silently. I trust the process. I create opportunities. I welcome abundance. I design my life. I learn from mistakes. I stay focused. I am calm under pressure. I am free from fear. I choose long-term success. I make wise decisions. I deserve financial freedom. I am building my legacy. I am disciplined every day. I invest in my mind. I grow stronger every day. I stand tall and confident. I am moving forward. I believe in my power. I attract positive results. I manage money wisely. I am in control. I am creating my future. I am becoming unstoppable. I welcome challenges. I am building wealth slowly. I stay grateful. I make progress daily. I trust my growth. I am proud of myself. I am learning every day. I am ready for success. Beautiful learner. You did something amazing today. You listened. You practiced. You grew. Remember this. Every small step you take today builds a stronger future for you. If this lesson helped you feel more confident, please like this video. Subscribe to Learn English with Emma so you never miss a lesson. And write a comment below. What did you learn today? I love reading your thoughts. Now take a slow breath. Smile. I'm proud of you. Keep going. And I'll see you in the next lesson.